Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I would like to talk about how to fix the audio issue on your Assassin's Creed Shadows. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about we need to press Windows plus G and select the right audio device. So let me press Windows and G all together. So let me press this. Okay, I need to go back. Let me press Windows and G together. So this will take you to this. And right now what I need to do is over here, as you can see, we are having the audio. So right now the first one over here in the mix, I need to select the right audio device. Right now if I expand this, you can see there are three options: speakers, which is 80 Blue 80 microphone, then speaker is there, then we have the speaker USB device. So I have to select the right audio device here, and also make sure that you set the volume to the maximum. That's all you have to do. And also that is very important. And also if you go over here in this voice, you have to check over here as well. And right now make sure that you select the right audio device as well. You have to select the right one. And also over here in the default communication output, you have to select the right audio device. That's an important one. You have to select the right audio device both over here in the mix as well as in the voice. You have to set into the right one. And once you set this up, and make sure that you set the volume to the maximum. That's also very important. And once you're done with this one, you can just close everything over here and you can move to the next step. Next step is all about make sure the volume is not muted or it is set into 100%. And also we have to select the right audios in the device sound setting. So just go over here, go to the speaker icon. And right now, as you can see, it has been set into 100. So make sure the volume is 100. And also click over here. You can directly go here, right click and go to sound setting. Now from here in the sound, what we need to do is we just need to make sure the output is speaker, and also make sure that it's been set into 100%. And also whatever you have given for the input, you have to select the right one, and also make sure this is not 0. So if it is completely 0, you'll not be hearing anything. So make sure this is 100, and also make sure this is 100 as well. If this has been set into 0, you'll be having trouble with hearing the voices. So make sure that you select the right audio device, and also make sure that the volume is 100%. Now close this, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but what we need to do is we need to restart the game and we need to restart the PC. Sometimes, like I always used to say, sometimes if you're in the game, just close the game. Once the game is closed, what I'm recommending you is, apart from restarting the game, just go over here, go for exit. Now the Steam will be completely shut down. Now we just need to go over here to the start, click over here, go to this icon and do a restart. Once the restart is done, just go over in the Steam, try launch the game back once again. So we need to launch the game once again, and once it is launched back, what you need to do is, it is like giving a fresh start for the Steam as well as your computer, and even you will be launching the game once you are logged in back to the Steam. So it is altogether, it's like a fresh start. So what I'm recommending is you can try close the game and launch it back, and also make sure the Steam is completely closed. It is like a fresh start for the Steam, like we are restarting the Steam, and also restart your system as well. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to set the sound sample rate to 48 or 44 kilohertz. So go over here, search for the control panel, click on this one, and now we need to go over here, click on hardware and sound, and right now we need to go to the sound. Now we need to make sure that you have selected the right audio device. So select the right audio device, and right now we need to make sure that you have selected the right audio device. So if you have selected, for example, apart from this, if you are wishing to keep any other audio device, you can select the respective one, or else make sure this respective audio device is selected and rest everything is disabled. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. That is all about, if you are playing with a controller, disconnect it when you start the game and connect it back when the connection is established correctly. So what we need to do is we just need to go over here, launch the game. And before launching the game, make sure that you disconnect the controller, and once it is done, you have to connect it back. Then what you need to do is, not all of a sudden you are connected back, just launch the game. Once the game is up and running, you can connect it back and check. Next step is all about we need to turn off the spatial sound. That's an important one. So we just need to go over here, search for the control panel, and we need to navigate to the hardware and sound. We need to select the sound. And right now we need to scroll down and select this one and right click and go to the properties. Now we need to go with a spatial sound. If it is turned on, turn off the spatial sound, and we have to go for OK. Once everything has been set, just close this and we have to move to the next one. That is all about we need to disable Oculus or voicemeeter or any other audio devices which is under both recording and the playback in the sound control panel, and also you need to manage this. So just search for the control panel and click on the control panel and go to the hardware and sound, go for the sound. Right now you can see there are many things over here. Apart from the USB audio device, there are many things, so make sure that you disable everything. Like you have to disable everything. Only the required one should be connected and rest everything should be disabled. Right now, as you can see, I have already enabled it. So rest everything this is connected and it is enabled as well, and rest everything should be disabled. And once it is disabled, you have to check. Most probably that even goes the issue up. Next one, we need to install the audio driver. So just go to the start, right click and directly go over here in the device manager. And right now we need to go over here, check for the sound, video and game controller. And right now we need to select the right device. So this is in my case. So select this one, go to update driver, search automatically for drivers. Make sure it is up to date and we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about we need to verify the game file, which is an important step. Sometimes if the game is corrupted with any files, you'll be having the trouble with the audio. So what we need to do is just go over here, right click and go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this particular process is going to a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is let me skip this part. Once the verification is done, you'll be getting a message says the verification is complete, and afterwards you can try launch the game. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.